In today's video, we will take out the front door panel for 2024 Chevy Malibu. Using a plastic trim remover tool, take out the plastic cover right beside the door switch panel. Notice there is a screw behind that we will take out using a 7mm socket. Here I'm using a gun with a socket, but you can use a round head ratchet with a 7mm socket if you want. Screw is out. There's a similar screw underneath the door panel and we will also need to take that out as well. Now I will use a tool like this to take out a plastic cover right beside the door handle. There's that plastic cover taken out, and behind that plastic cover is another screw that we also need to take out. All of these screws were 7mm screws. We'll use this same tool and punch it in the corner of the door switch panel to take this piece out. Once pulled out, it is attached with a big plug that also needs to be taken out. Just press and hold this middle tab and then push the plug outwards. With the plug taken out, notice there is one screw behind that we need to take out, followed by another screw right beside that also needs to be taken out. Even though this screw is taken out, but somehow it got stuck there, so I just had to try back and forth until it came out itself. I'll use a plastic trim remover tool and I will squeeze it right beside the side where the speaker is, and while this plastic trim remover tool is inside, I'll try to pull out the door panel. And there I was able to pull it out from this side. With that, we are done from the underneath part. Using the same trim remover tool and the same approach, we will try to take out the door panel from the corners. There I was able to pull it out. We'll also have to pull it out from the right side as well. Pretty much all the sides are pulled. Now we will try to push the door liner upwards. And with a little wiggle, notice the complete door panel is taken out. Inside the door panel, we will take out the harness for the door handle first. So what you do is, you press this, you pull it out, and then you slide this outwards to take it out. Once this is out, now we will take out the plug for the speaker. First, we need to slide down the red tab of the plug. And then push and hold the middle tab, which is the black color tab, and pull the plug outwards to take it out. There's the plug taken out, and this is the plug for the main switch. With that, we are done taking out the door panel completely. Now in case if you want to install it back, you just reverse the entire process. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Here are the list of tools used for this takeout.